Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this smart band. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the home screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display, it's right here, and once you find it, select it, and here we have this option called auto lock. This is our option, so let's tap on it to select it, and right here we have list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute and 5 minutes. Select the one you like, for example 5 seconds, and then you can swipe right on the screen a couple of times to go back to watch face, and now my screen should turn off automatically after 5 seconds of inactivity, like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.